Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the lowercase text to the uppercase text in your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the lowercase text to the uppercase text in your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. For example, a lower letter, which means a small letter to a capital letter on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. So I'm just going to copy this here and just paste here. So if you're just selecting the text, and just go to the format option and click on the text option. And now you can find two option called uppercase. Click this. You can have the preview, but it doesn't work. If you just click outside, it really goes with a smaller case. You just need to click on the cell. You just need to select the text where the text inside the cell. Just click on the whole cell first and click on the format option. Go to the text option. Then you just need to click on the uppercase. So now you can see the small letter has been changed to the capital letter in your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.